20, which is the base, times P equals to 160. Okay, please carry on by yourself from here. What should you do to find the value of P? How to do this? $160 divided by 10. Okay, sorry. Yanrei says 160 divided by 10 to get P. Do you agree? Do you agree the working? He said divide by 10. Don't agree, ah? Oh yeah, that's a good question. How you get 10, ah? Half what? Half times 20. Okay. So Ashari, watch. Brian, half times 20 is 10. Times P, he gets 160. So what is the final step in order to find the value of P? Okay, both sides divided by 10. Yeah, 16. So yes, Yanrei is correct. 160 divided by 10. But you press wrongly here. You can 160 divided by half divided by 20 is the same. Okay, question 4 and 5. These two will be your homework. Yes. Okay, so this page 63 is still a homework due on 11 August. Any questions? 11 August is on Wednesday after the National Day holidays. Okay, let's head back to our textbook. This is the last shape that we are going to be dealing with this week. This is the last shape. No. Okay, let's read it together. What is this word? TRA, track. Trapezium. Okay, one more time, everybody together. 1, 2, 3. Not everybody saying it. 1, 2, 3. Trapezium. Okay. Okay. Quiet, quiet. Now, this is a four-sided figure with only one pair of parallel sides. Can you identify where the parallel sides are? Can you see it? Parallel with a little arrowhead, right? See the arrowheads over here, implying that they are parallel lines. So as long as it is a four-sided figure with one pair of parallel sides, it is called a trapezium. How do you think we can find out the area of the trapezium? Okay, so take a look at this. Okay, here I have a area of this I have the trapezium over here. So A and B, they are parallel to each other. You can ignore the A equals to half HA plus B. Ignore it first. Watch what is going to happen when I move the slider. Can you see the same trapezium? I photocopy the same trapezium. And see photocopy, right? Then I put it to the right side. What shape is this now? Correct. Correct. What? Why are you laughing? Okay, so this is our trapezium. I watch carefully again. Look at the screen. This is a formula you need to know. Come on. Screen. I am photocopying the trapezium. Just one. and I rotate. And now I get a parallelogram. This parallelogram, you know the area, isn't it? Base times perpendicular height for the parallelogram. Base times perpendicular height. What is the base of this huge parallelogram? Is it BA? Or is it just B? BA? A plus B? Okay, the rest, what do you all think? I need you all to cooperate and think. If you spend time thinking now, you'll have an easier time when you do your homework, when you go for a test. What is the base of this parallelogram? Sherry gave an answer. What is your answer? You tell me what you think the answer is first. Okay, Shazwan thinks the base is just B. Sherry thinks it is A plus B. Yenrui thinks it's A plus B as well. I'm asking about parallelogram. Just B? Just B? Parallelogram. The base just B? Yaman? What do you think? What is the base? A. Just A. Yes, Patricia? B. What color is this parallelogram? Green. Look at the bottom. Here. This is the base. Can you see the cursor moving? Very hard to see. The red color line plus the blue color line. That is your base of the parallelogram. So the answer for the base is A plus B. Okay? That is the base of the parallelogram. What about the height of the parallelogram? What is it? H, correct. Okay, so if I ask you to find the area of this parallelogram, the answer will be A plus B times H. A plus B times H. But I don't want the area of a parallelogram, I want trapezium. So how is the area of a parallelogram related to trapezium? Show you again. How is this area, one trapezium, related to the area of two trapeziums? In other words, a parallelogram. Okay, so if I tell you the area of this parallelogram is 10, then what is the area of this trapezium? 5, correct? Correct. You all get it? Okay, let's try another one. If the area of this trapezium is 2, then what is the area of this parallelogram? Area of trapezium is 2. What is the area of the parallelogram? 4. Okay, so I'm going to be asking this type of question for every single student in this class. Going down the row. Next one, Yan Rui. The area of this parallelogram is 8. What is the area of the trapezium? Correct. Next, area of this parallelogram is 12. What is the area of this trapezium? Very good. The area is 20 for this parallelogram. What is the area of this trapezium? If this area is 20, then what is the area of trapezium? All right. Okay, next one. We've seen area is 100. What is the area of this trapezium? Okay, correct. What correct? You say 50, right? Okay, first one. The area is 2000. What is the area of a trapezium? Okay, very good. Ray. The area is 2 million. What is the area of one trapezium? Very good. Do you all still need me to go through? Only already, right? Emma, do you want to try? Oh, you know how to do it already? Okay. I believe you all know how to do it. Okay, now, class, why am I talking about the area of a parallelogram? Because the formula for area of a trapezium is actually half of the area of the parallelogram, right? And then the area of this parallelogram is the base, which is A plus B, base times the perpendicular height of H. A plus B times H. That is the parallelogram. But if I want the trapezium, I just divide by 2 lah. That's why I put a half over there. Understand? Now, going back to the textbook, let's look at what the formula looks like from our textbook. Okay, so here we have this what was happening just now. You duplicate, you photocopy that trapezium, then you form a parallelogram. The base will be A plus B. The height is H. So our formula states, okay, this is on page, let me see, page 108. Put a star, put many stars. The area of a trapezium is half times the sum of the parallel sides. Remember what's the sum of parallel sides? Just now I say A plus B, isn't it? For the base, A plus B. What was A, what was B? They are the sides that are parallel. So A plus B times your perpendicular height. Okay, over there? Understand the formula? Half times sum of parallel sides times perpendicular height. Now all these words are very difficult to remember. That is why we need to practice with some actual questions. Okay, so let's take a look at work example number 10. Okay, work example number 10, we've got a trapezium over here. I'm interested in area. So right now, area equals to half. It always starts with half times sum of parallel sides. Can you identify? There are 4 sides of the trapezium. Which 2 are parallel? Which 2 sides are parallel? That means they same direction. Yeah, which of these sides, the 4 of them, which 2 sides are parallel? Parallel means they don't meet each other. They keep on continue, they don't touch each other. 8 and 2, yes. So 8 and 2 will be our parallel sides. Do you understand, Ashari? Okay, so 8 plus 2. We put it in the bracket, 8 plus 2. Multiplied by the perpendicular height. So which one is the perpendicular height? Oh yeah, I heard the answer. Who said that? Okay, correct. Karine, it is 4. So here we have the use of the formula already. I'm just going to put some notes over here. This will be our sum of parallel sides. And I encourage you to actually write it down as well. Okay, here, sum of parallel sides. Sum meaning plus, sum of the parallel sides. So identify 8 and 2, then this will be our perpendicular height. Then you get the answer straight away already. 20 square centimeters. 10. So what do you have for your homework? Your homework is what? You only have 2 questions for homework, right, from your workbook? And the other homework is to memorize this. Memorize. Why 8 plus 2? Because they are the sum of the parallel sides.